Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of Nutribullet Immersion Blender review. Make sure you watch the end of the video to know our final verdict if this blender is worth it. Nutribullet Immersion Blender Overview. The Nutribullet Immersion Blender is a handheld, corded electrical appliance with a 220 voltage intake to a 350 watt motor. The device is relatively small in size and lightweight, with a girth and height of 2 and 16 inches, respectively, and weighs about 2.36 pounds. Its small size and weight enhance the ease of handling the appliance while operational. The blender has a button control that shifts the blending speed from low to high, and vice versa for ultimate texture control. Its complete package consists of a blender and a detachable stainless steel blending arm. Its detachability makes it easy to clean and store. The gadget is dishwasher safe. What we liked: small-sized and lightweight, dishwasher safe, varied blending speeds. What we didn't like: it's corded, blending is limited to points of power supply. Features: detachability. The appliance's blending arm can be detached from the main blending component. This feature makes cleaning and storing the blender much simpler, as each element can be cleaned individually. Also, the feature enables the appliance to fit into small, confined compartments. Button control. This gadget has a power button for on-off switching, even when the blender is connected to a power source. Additionally, it has a button control system with gradually varying blending speeds to steadily regulate the blending from low to high. Durability. The blender's casing is made of non-corrosive plastic material, which enhances its durability. On the other hand, both the blending arm and blade are made of stainless steel. The steel parts are strong and also non-corrosive, contributing to the gadget's durability. Who is the Nutribullet Immersion Blender best suited for? This gadget best suits anyone seeking a reliable appliance for small-scale blending and mixing. A user's experience does not limit the gadget's adaptability as it comes with a user guide. Verdict: should you get the Nutribullet Immersion Blender? The Nutribullet Immersion Blender does not have an internal battery, and it entirely depends on the mains cord supply. Therefore, it will only be helpful within a few meters from the point of power supply. More so, other immersion blenders within its price range come with a chopper, a whisk, and a blending jar. Other than these features, the Nutribullet Immersion Blender is a reliable and efficient appliance worth a purchase. Thanks for watching.